On the screen, we have an air conditioning unit that operates with R410A refrigerant gas. This part is the indoor unit, located inside the premises, also known as the evaporator. Inside it, we basically have a coil, a fan, R410A refrigerant gas, and the electronic control part. This part is the outdoor unit, located outside the premises. Inside it, we basically have a coil, compressor, capillary tube, fan, R410A refrigerant gas, and electronic control board. The indoor and outdoor units are connected by pipes. As we can see, the thicker pipe is where the refrigerant exits the indoor unit and reaches the outdoor unit, and the thinner pipe is where the refrigerant returns from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. The pressure of the R410A gas in the evaporator unit, indoor unit, during operation is approximately 122 pounds per square inch, psi. At this pressure, the temperature of the R410A gas inside the evaporator is around 5 degrees Celsius. Refrigeration technicians refer to this pressure as low pressure, and it is measured with the blue pressure gauge. Low pressure is not constant and varies, although very slightly, depending on the equipment's operating conditions. For example, on a sunny day with many people in the premises, the R410A pressure will increase slightly but always stay close to the original value. On the other hand, on cooler days or with fewer people, the R410A pressure may decrease. Let's remember that the heat from people is absorbed by the R410A gas, providing occupants with a sensation of cold and comfort. This heat causes the R410A in the indoor unit to evaporate, meaning it changes from a liquid state to a gaseous state, or vapor. The heat absorbed by the R410A must be expelled outside for the system to continue cooling the premises. To achieve the operating cycle, the compressor suctions the R410A gas in a vapor state and takes it to the outdoor unit, condenser. In the condenser unit, the R410A releases heat into the environment. To improve this process, the compressor increases the pressure of the R410A. Due to the high pressure, as the R410A releases heat, it changes from a vapor state to a liquid state. The gas pressure after the compressor, in the condenser unit, generally exceeds 400 pounds per square inch, psi, and must be measured with the red pressure gauge. The R410A exits the condenser unit in a liquid state but with high pressure. Before returning to the premises to restart the cycle, the R410A must pass through the capillary tube. The capillary tube reduces the pressure of the R410A and, therefore, simultaneously reduces the temperature value back to 5 degrees Celsius. The R410A, at low pressure and temperature, returns to the evaporator unit to start a new cycle of heat absorption. The R410A gas is highly efficient, not flammable, but with the inconvenience of having a high global warming potential, close to 2088. Therefore, R410A is starting to face problems with environmental regulations. R410A works with POE-type oil, generally with a viscosity in air conditioning of 68 centistokes, although it depends on the compressor manufacturer. To ensure a long service life of the equipment, it is essential to perform preventive maintenance, including cleaning the condenser of the outdoor unit, at least every 6 months.